Okay.
Right. Ready?
I've even taken the brakes off to make it easier.
Oh, that's good, thank you.
It's so cold, I wouldn't.
We arrived at Statfold on the Friday lunchtime, and I'd arrived with Tilly's boiler empty. I wanted to fill up on site and I wanted to add some water treatment. So I did fill up on site. I needed Luke to give me a tow to be able to do so, and I completely forgot to put in the water treatment. Better luck next time.
Right, well, that's the boiler done.
You have to eat all of it because there wasn't a lot there. Three more forkfuls. Big forkfuls.
Ready when you are, Governor.
Try top gear. Could go really good or really bad. Ready?
Yeah.
Break off.
And at the crack of 10:30 the next morning, I started breaking in a new apprentice. This time, my son Morgan. And soon enough, we were heading off for a mosey around the site. Sorry, bit of noise in the background. Pressure release valve's just gone off, and so we're releasing a bit of steam, so hopefully you can hear me. But it's Saturday lunchtime, we're going to have some lunch. So we've got some pasties that we've wrapped in silver foil, and these are going into the front of the engine. So there we go. The smoke box of the garret is now a little oven for our pasties. So the pasties have been in the oven now for about, I guess, 45 minutes or so. So we'll have a look. Well, they certainly feel hot. There you go, hot pasty.
You have to make sure the mics are off as well.
And soon enough we got to the point in the afternoon where Statfold always have their main event of the miniatures in steam, which is getting all of the engines lined up and then having a mass whistle. Unfortunately, due to copyright issues, YouTube won't let me publish this bit of sound because it's got background music playing. So I'm going to put you a bit of my own background music on instead, and following a few bits of feedback, shall we say, I'm going to keep it a bit quieter this time. And so while we look at the parade of engines, I just want to provide a little bit of my perspective on this the 2024 Statfold Miniatures and Steam Rally. For me, this year was a bit of a disappointment. Look, I want to be really clear about this. I think Statfold is a fantastic place, and what they've achieved there and the railway they've put together is a lovely, lovely thing to see. But for the miniature festival this year, it was a bit disappointing. The thing that makes Statfold so good is having the loop to drive around. It really gives you somewhere to go, something to do. And as we were off the grass, but we were off the grass last year, it means that all you're really doing is pottering the engine around the car park. And actually, for us, it's a good hour and a half each way. It's a decent amount in diesel, and to just hang around in a car park for 2 days isn't really good enough. And compared to last year, not only were we not allowed to go round the loop, but there were no trams operating, there was no driver for a fiver. It felt like a really scaled down rally, and it was a bit disappointing, if I'm honest.
Countdown. We want the exhibitors to hold the whistles until we're ready to go. So if we're going to do a countdown, let everybody join in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, you know somewhere there, all ladies, with a whistle, and then it stops. But all the blokes just never